What's up, guys? Troy from Tad Catters. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to clean a trout. I don't trout fish a lot, so you guys are going to have to bear with me with this. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys how to gut them and get them clean for cooking. So you guys hang out and we'll get it started. Here is the trout that I got. A couple small ones. Most of them are small. I think that's the biggest one, the little brood trout. I'm gonna dump these out. Don't tell Danielle. Anyways, what you want to do is you want to take your knife from the, I guess you guys call that the anus or the butthole, I guess. But you're going to take your knife and go from there. You're going to cut all the way up past the pectoral fins. Just past them. You don't want to go all the way through the gills. That's what we'll do here. Make sure you guys got a sharp knife too. That sounds good. About right there. Then you're going to come behind the head and cut down at an angle. And you don't want to cut all the way through. So then once you got that done, you're going to take this. I don't think I cut all the way through yet. But you want to put your thumb in there and just rip all the guts out. And all that should come out. There you go. That's a clean trout. There's also, there's a bloodline in here. It's kind of gnarly, but there's a bloodline in there, and you want to get that out too. So you can take your thumb and kind of just squeeze that out. There's one. I'll go ahead and do it one more time for you guys. Take your knife. This is probably a lot easier if you got a cutting board, which I do not have, so. I'm trying not to cut myself for video purposes. Stick your thumb in there. All that should just come right out. There's two. And that's how it's done, guys. Super simple. I know this is a goofy video, but some people may not know how to do this, so I figured I'd make the video and try to show you. I'm not no expert or anything on trout fishing or even, you know, cooking trout or whatever. But again, I wanted to make the video, some new content, and plus it might help somebody that doesn't know how to do it. So anyways, guys, appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.